In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best portable sewing machine available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. In the lid of this beginner-friendly machine, there is a guide that shows you how to proceed based on the type of fabric you're using. You can use it if you're new to sewing, since figuring out which settings are best for your project can take experience and patience. This Husqvarna Viking Jade embroidery machine has a large embroidery hoop, 70 built-in embroidery designs, and over 100 built-in stitches. Using the machine's software for creating embroidery designs will get easier as you become more familiar with the machine and embroidering. The portability of this machine is another great feature. Considering that the pedal and power cord can be packed up, you can easily bring the machine with you when you travel or visit a friend. You might want to keep in mind, however, that it is certainly heavier than the average. The Singer Start 1304 sewing machine is a nice entry-level sewing machine that can travel easily. It isn't as fully featured as the Brother XM2701, but some argue that this may be a plus for those who are looking for a simple sewing machine. Therefore, it's one of the best Singer sewing machines for children. The machine is easy to set up and use, and the limited choices limit confusion for beginners. It is possible to upgrade to a more fully featured Singer sewing machine in the future if sewing becomes your new favorite hobby. The 6 built-in stitches are all available in a variety of lengths and widths. It's not a ton of variety, but I'd say at least 80% of the sewing I do involves only straight stitches. The Singer M1500 was introduced recently as the successor to the Singer 1304. Before modern sewing machines, straight stitches were the only stitch available on many sewing machines. There is a little facelift to it, but it remains operationally the same. The simplicity and affordability of this model make it appropriate for novices. In addition to 27 built-in embroidery stitches like zigzag and decorative stitches, there are 63 stitch functions to cover most of your needs. A dial is used to select stitches. There are 6 interchangeable presser feet included in this machine, as well as a built-in buttonholer. Threading the needle automatically eliminates the need to squint. Drop-in bobbins are jam-resistant, and their cases make it easy to view thread supplies, and the removable arm simplifies cuff and sleeve adjustments. This machine has a top-loaded bobbin that is easy to change. It also comes with illustrated instructions, diagrams, and demonstration DVDs that make the process much easier. This product has a 25-year limited warranty in addition to attractive pricing. This sewing machine is praised by buyers for helping them improve their sewing skills. The foot pedal is easy to trigger with the slightest pressure, however, some do not like it. The LED-lit working area was found to be somewhat dim by others. This user-friendly little machine consistently comes up highly recommended by fellow sewists and in online reviews. The sewing machine also features an actual tape measure on the front, which we think should be a feature of all sewing machines, regardless of size or weight. The 4 kg weight makes it one of the lighter portable sewing machines in this roundup thanks to the handle. With a built-in light and thread cutter as well as 12 stitches to choose from, it's not light on features, but it's a great space saver for those of us with smaller workspaces or desks that double as other things. You'll be able to confidently sew straight stitches, zigzags, buttonholes, seams, hems, and zips, plus you can easily start and finish your threads securely with the reverse stitch option at the front. If you do not have a plug socket nearby, you can use the included mains adapter or use batteries. You may lose interest in a hobby after just a few months, or your interest may be short-lived, or you might only need the machine for an occasional project rather than frequent use. When you first start a hobby, it can be difficult to know how much to invest in supplies and organizing a space, whether the interest will last, or if you will just use it occasional. HAITRAL mini sewing machine is one such option that doesn't break the bank, but is still considered a quality purchase in those cases. In addition to being petite and lightweight, this min is durable as well. A thread cutter, 2 speeds, lighting to make sewing easy, and a thread cutter are just a few of the features you'll find on this machine. This machine is easy to use for novice sewers, and newbies report that it's great to learn on. The only thing to keep in mind is that thick fabrics probably won't be easy to sew with this method. So that sums of today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.